Welcome to my in-depth review of Tapfiliate. If you're looking for a tool to manage and track your affiliate marketing campaigns, you've probably heard about this platform. Tapfiliate promotes itself as a comprehensive affiliate marketing solution for SaaS businesses, e-commerce brands, and digital services. Upon logging in, the dashboard offers a clean and user-friendly interface. It's simple to navigate, and the layout makes finding specific features relatively straightforward. Creating a new campaign is easy and guided. You can add custom branding, define commission structures, and integrate with various platforms like Shopify, WordPress, WooCommerce, and even Zapier. However, some users might find the integration process slightly more technical compared to plug-and-play alternatives. The customization options are a strength here. You can tailor your affiliate sign-up page, email templates, and even use webhooks for advanced automation. The affiliate dashboard, which your partners will see, is intuitive and clean, but lacks some of the advanced tracking features that competitors like Impact or PartnerStack provide. Real-time tracking works well, and the analytics dashboard gives you a good breakdown of clicks, conversions, and commissions. Payment tracking is another area where Tapfiliate is decent, but not excellent. While you can export payment data easily, the platform does not natively handle payouts, which means you'll need to connect it with tools like PayPal, TransferWise, or manually handle payments. Support is available via email, and response times vary. In my experience, it took up to 24 hours to get a detailed reply. There's no live chat, which can be frustrating when you run into technical issues. Many useful links you can find in the description. Another point worth mentioning is pricing. Tapfiliate isn't the cheapest solution on the market. The monthly plans can be a bit steep, especially for smaller businesses or those just starting with affiliate marketing. While they offer a 14-day free trial, it's not enough time for many users to truly test out all features, especially considering how long it might take to recruit and onboard affiliates. The platform does support multi-language campaigns and has a decent API for developers. But if you're not technically inclined, that might not be a major selling point for you. Tapfiliate's strength is in its simplicity and ability to scale with your business. However, if you require deep integrations, automation, or in-depth reporting, you might eventually outgrow the platform. Despite its limitations, Tapfiliate is a solid mid-range option for businesses that want an affiliate marketing tool with customizable options and easy setup. It delivers on core functions, but leaves room for improvement in areas like customer support, payout handling, and native integrations. If you're on a budget or need something very beginner-friendly, you may want to consider alternatives. If this video helped you understand Tapfiliate better, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel for more reviews and insights.